Now let us continue again. Come to page number 44. It says that now the train was moving fast. Something like a bridge was seen in the faint light of moon. There was a light of vehicles seen on it. While we were crossing the bridge, I asked my father, "Which is this bridge?" "This is Suraj Bhari Bridge," he replied. "It is known as the entrance of Kutch." So they were crossing the Suraj Bhari Bridge, which is known for the entrance of the Kutch region. Okay. Then coming to the next page, he also informed that when this bridge was not there, all the trains of Ahmedabad used to go via Palanpur, that used to take much time. So now this bridge has made the journey of shorter duration. Immediately I asked my father, "We had seen two separate railway tracks. Before that was the way to Palanpur, right?" Father said, "Yes. From the route only the train was going." See, now the girl is very keen observer. She is not only having the journey, but she is also observing things. She is also learning things. So next time when you are also on a journey, you are going to learn, observe, and you will learn so many things. Then the next paragraph. It was 11 at night. So the time is 11. So father told me to sleep. Mother spread our bed sheets on our seat. All the passengers were also going to sleep. There was a toilet facility in the train, and I went to the toilet with my mother and then slept. So there is a washroom also available in the train. Water is also there, so you can use it and you can rest. So now, question: have you ever traveled by train, and if yes, then from where and up to which place? So you're going to write it on your own. The next is, which facilities are provided in train? Write in detail. So this you can try, but I am going to provide you the right answer. There are many facilities that are provided by the train. So now coming to the next passage. I tried to sleep, but I was not able to sleep due to the train's noise. There was another family near our seat that was already mentioned. They had two children like this family. So she was also not able to sleep, and she was not feeling sleepy. We both talked. So these two girls started talking. Her name was Fiona. She had some storybook. Had a storybook. I also took one book from her. So Ria took a book from her for reading. Now coming to the next page, and I started reading. While reading the book, I slept. So while reading, Ria fell asleep. Now coming to the next paragraph. Suddenly I woke up. I saw that a light was coming from the window. I sat and peeped out of the window. It seemed a big city had come. So when there is so much of light coming, her sleep was broken, and then she saw out of the window it was a big city. The train was passing. The city was looking very beautiful all around because of lighting. I had never seen such kind of beautiful scene in Gandhidham. The train was passing under the bridge or somewhere from the railway crossing were all round tall buildings, and the atmosphere was quiet. I took my mother's mobile to take the photos and videos of those beautiful scenes, which we will enjoy watching later, because she has promised her friend Jia that she's going to capture some few beautiful moments in the mobile or the camera, and then she's going to share with her. Now next paragraph. Our train reached at a big station. Father also woke up. He told that Ahmedabad came. The atmosphere filled up by the noise of different hawkers. Some of the words were chai, garam bhajia, puri shaak, cold water bottles, bananas, vada pav, chiku, apple. What is all this? They are the sounds that we hear when we have a train journey. So father said the train will be at the station for 20-25 minutes. Father got down the train to fill water bottle. I also went with him. So it was a chance for Ria to get down and see the nice beautiful Ahmedabad station. Now the platform was crowded. Crowded means so many people were there. Passengers were buying from the hawkers. Hawkers are the ones who are selling things. Okay, and passengers are the ones those who are traveling. There were many other trains at the platform because it is a big junction point at Ahmedabad. Many trains are there at one point of time. There were people with red uniform carrying load and running around. Who are they? They are the coolies, those who are helping on the railway stations. There was an important announcement on the mic. Some passengers were waiting for their train. I was enjoying the scene. We took bananas and chikus from the hawkers to and got into the train. See, there are always announcements going on saying that this number of train, because the train has a number, as the flight has a number, the train also has a number with their name, and it will be coming on platform number this. So all the passengers, those who are traveling with that train, in that train, they have to go to that particular platform. So this kind of announcement always keeps on going, so you have to be very alert, okay, whenever you are traveling. Now coming to the next paragraph. By the time the train started, we ate bananas and chikus and I went to the toilet. Now I was not feeling sleepy because her sleep was broken, and now she's not feeling sleepy because she is also excited. Now I was having board of snakes and ladder games. Himaksh, Fiona and I played the snakes and ladders game. In the meantime, the train arrived at Nadiad, where Fiona had to get down. So Fiona was traveling for Nadiad. Fiona said bye to us. Then I and Himaksh went to sleep. So when the train started, they started playing snakes and ladders, and when Fiona got down at Nadiad, they fell asleep. That is Ria and her brother. Have you ever traveled by road or railways at night? What did you see on the way? Write in detail. So if you have made any journeys during the night by roadways or railways, just list the things that you have seen. What did Ria see in Ahmedabad from the train? Write it down. So again, read the paragraph that what she saw from at the railway station of Ahmedabad and just mention it. Okay, I will give you the right answer for this. Now coming to the next page, page number 48. Did you buy anything from the hawkers at the railway station during your travel? If yes, then make a list of it. If you had ever traveled by railways and if you have bought something from the hawkers, just write it down over here. Just recall and write it down. Then the next is, what did Ria see at Ahmedabad railway station? And the other one is, which type of voices Ria heard at Ahmedabad railway station? So these two question answers we are going to give you. So but you can always try it in the textbook. Whatever you are supposed to write in notebook, we will send you very soon. Thank you.